It was a normal night. Nara was scrolling through her social media when suddenly a viral video caught her attention.
Wait, what is this? Honestly, Gen Z students these days are so lazy. They just want everything to be instant without putting in an extra effort.
The short clip felt real. Without hesitation, Nara believed it and shared the video to her social media.
This is so wrong.
The video spread quickly. No one asked questions. They trusted what they saw because everyone else did.
Did you guys see Nara's story last night?
Of course, that video is everywhere.
I opened TikTok this morning, same video again.
See, I told you, it's going viral.
She really said we're lazy just like that.
And the way she said it so calmly too, like...
Yeah, that made it worse somehow.
I checked the comments again. People are still mad.
As they should, to be honest.
Do you think she's gonna apologize?
I don't know, but she should.
Guys, I mean, maybe there's more to it?
Nah, what more do you need? She said it already.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Did you watch the full video?
No? Why?
Because short clips can be misleading.
But it's literally what she said.
Yeah, but we don't know what she said after that.
Wait, Chicas might actually right.
Let's find the full video.
For the first time, they stopped and they started watching the full video. What's your opinion on Gen Z students these days?
Honestly, Gen Z students these days are so lazy. They just want everything to be instant without putting in an extra effort.
That's a strong statement. Do you really mean that?
I mean, that's what a lot of people say. But I don't fully agree.
So, what do you think is actually happening?
They're under a lot of pressure. Everything moves fast now, so they adapt. Wanting things faster doesn't mean they're lazy.
After watching the full video, the room feels different. The excitement is gone. Now, there's only silence and
I
realization.
can't believe I shared that.
We judge her too fast.
I just followed what everyone said.
Yeah, we just followed what everyone else was saying.
That's how it works sometimes. Not everything that looks real is actually true.
I don't want to be that kind of person. Someone who spread things without knowing the truth.
What matters is we realize it now. Next time, we just need to be more careful.
In the digital world, not everything you see is true. Even real videos can be misleading when the context is missing.